For our last week in Indonesia, we headed to North Kuta, on the coast of Bali, to sit back and relax on the beach and sip coconut, milk fresh from the nut. We saw some sleepy civet cats and visited Tanah Lot Temple. But probably the most important thing were all these Bali dogs. So after having no idea what to expect from Indonesia, I have to say it's been pretty amazing. From its breathtaking geography to its historical architecture, all the islands have been stunning, with Bali in particular having an abundance of these temples and shrines. The small island feels bursting with spiritual vibes. But it really does feel special. Seeing all the intricate stonework and architecture, the effort on display really does show spectacular results. The Indonesian people have been so happy and accommodating, and not just in the tourist areas, everyone has been so friendly and happy. They do seem to lead a more relaxed lifestyle, and it would be hard not to, I don't blame them. The local cuisine has been an acquired taste, with some questionable cuts of chicken, but after seeing what the Japanese people were eating, I'll just leave it as a cultural difference. But the restaurants themselves have had great food, and the bintang has been perfect with every bottle. I'm so pleased I visited Indonesia. I would recommend it to anyone, and not just to Bali, to experience some of the other islands while you're here, because it will be well worth your time.